In a dramatic development, a Canadian lawyer has been arrested for allegedly advising his former client, ex-Olympian turned drug kingpin Ryan Wedding, to murder a key witness in order to have a U.S. federal case dismissed, according to the U.S. Department of Justice. Who is Ryan Wedding? Wedding is a former Canadian Olympic snowboarder who competed in the 2002 Salt Lake City Winter Games, finishing 24th in the men's parallel giant slalom. He is now wanted for a range of serious crimes, including drug trafficking, murder in connection with a continuing criminal enterprise, witness tampering, and retaliation against a witness. The allegations against the lawyer. The lawyer arrested is Deepak Paradkar, based in Ontario. U.S. prosecutors say that Paradkar advised Wedding to kill Victim a crucial witness, telling him, "If you kill this witness, the case would be dismissed." According to the indictment, Paradkar believed that murdering the witness would help Wedding avoid extradition and derail ongoing federal charges. Further, the court documents claim that Paradkar helped Wedding's associates hide their conversations about the murder, advising them to use separate encrypted chats and delete any messages that discuss the plot. The indictment also alleges Paradkar allowed Wedding and his associates to eavesdrop on privileged communications between the lawyer and other clients, some of whom Wedding allegedly wanted dead. Beyond that, U.S. Treasury officials have imposed sanctions on Paradkar, accusing him of violating legal ethics and trust by facilitating violence, bribery, and drug trafficking. The murder of the witness. The targeted witness was shot and killed on January 31, 2025, in a restaurant in Medellin, Colombia. According to prosecutors, Wedding allegedly placed a bounty on the witness's head in the belief that his death would lead to the dismissal of criminal charges against Wedding and his criminal enterprise. Wedding reportedly used a Canadian crime news website called The Dirty News to post images of the witness and his wife, allegedly to make it easier for assassins to locate him. Broader investigation. Operation Giant Slalom. The arrests in Canada, including Paradkar's, are part of a coordinated U.S.-Canada investigation codenamed Operation Giant Slalom. As part of this operation, at least 7 Canadians with ties to Wedding's alleged drug trafficking network have been arrested. Officials from the U.S. Treasury have also imposed financial sanctions on Wedding and several associates, labeling the network a large-scale, violent criminal enterprise. U.S. officials' response. Assistant U.S. Attorney Bill Asaley said at a press conference, his lawyer told him, "If you kill this witness, the case would be dismissed." U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi confirmed that Paradkar is now in custody and will be extradited to face charges in the United States. The FBI has labeled Wedding extremely violent and among its top most wanted fugitives. Implications and concerns. This case raises alarming concerns about the role of legal professionals in organized crime. If proven, the allegations suggest not only that a lawyer may have facilitated violence and murder, but also abused the privilege of attorney-client communication to coordinate criminal actions. U.S. officials argue that such conduct cannot be tolerated, especially when it directly targets the judicial process and the protection of witnesses. Moreover, the international dimension, with the witness killed abroad in Colombia, underscores the reach and boldness of the alleged criminal enterprise. It also illustrates the challenges in protecting witnesses in cross-border criminal networks.